Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are like one of the original viewers, you will remember that I got a Baby Alive Olivia. I redid her hair, so she looks a little different. I added a streak to it, which I think is really cute, and then I just put it up in this pony, and it's really cute. I made her this bracelet too, but anyway, so you may remember my Baby Alive Olivia. It's been so long since I did a video with her. It's been a while since I did a video in general, and I'm so sorry about that. So I decided to make it up to you guys with 2 videos today. So this is going to be the first part and then the second part. But some of you may have noticed this is a new Baby Alive here. So she's actually not mine. She's my sister Ruby's. It's her. She's also the Magical Mixer doll. She's just the brunette version. So my sister Ruby and I are going to take our dolls to the park for dinner. So we're gonna do a diaper bag packing. I know it says American Girl. It's for my bitty baby, but it's not. But it's just the biggest diaper bag I have. So we're gonna do a diaper bag packing, and then we're gonna actually go to the park for dinner. That might have to be 2 parts, but anyway. So I'm here with my sister Ruby.
Hi.
So we're just going to be packing this diaper bag. So I will do Olivia's accessories first, and then Ruby will do Autumn's accessories. That's her name, by the way, Autumn.
Yes.
So I'm going to start with Olivia's accessories, which is this half. So, sorry, I need to adjust myself. So first, so she's going to have dinner at the park. So I have pear-flavored food, which is one of her favorites. I'm also going to bring, like, little scissors to cut these open. So I have pear-flavored food. Let me just get this. So pear-flavored food. And then this is a fun spoon. So her grandparents live near our Friendlies, and they give us, like, kid packs, and we got these in them, and I figured, like, they, like, actually fit her mouth pretty well. So that's what I'm going to bring. Then I have this red bowl for her to have her food in. Then I have a blanket in case she gets cold, because it is, like, I mean, I'm in shorts right now, but it's, like, not super warm, so, yeah. I'm going to bring a blanket. This is her little mermaid stuffed animal. It's, like, crocheted. I don't know who made it, but she loves it so much. I have a spare diaper. She's also in a diaper right now, but I always bring a spare. This is actually like a preemie diaper for like real babies, and I'm going to bring it because it can hold more liquid, and so we're going to be feeding her at the park, and between the food and the water, her diaper is going to overflow, and I don't want to go through too many, so I'm just going to bring that for her. Then she also gets her bottle, just like for water and stuff. And then we're going to be sharing a mixer because there's no point in bringing 2, so I'm bringing Olivia's because it is the magical mixer.
And anyway, mine's broken.
Yeah. And then I'm finally going to bring, this is kind of like her pajamas, but it can also be an extra outfit. It's this like teal, purple, white, and pink star shirt. It's also red. And then it has matching pants that are also teal. The back is a little bit dirty, but that was from a previous thing with the Baby Alive. So
yes,
now
it was.
I'm going to hand it over to Ruby for Autumn's things.
So, right here, I have an avocado kiwi food packet, which is from a food packet pack, which I have. It's also stocked up with diapers. Put that in. And then you're also going to want a spoon. It's the same one as my sister's, but it is green, which Autumn really likes green.
Right, Autumn?
Yeah! And then I have this yellow bowl. Autumn really likes yellow. I really, really, really like yellow because it's like the sun. So I'm putting that in. And then I have her Stuffy, which she always sleeps with, and she super loves. Mousy. Say hi, Mousy. Hi.
You love Mousy, huh, Autumn?
Yes. And then
she loves Mousy even more than I love my mermaid, which is crazy.
And then she has this fuzzy blanket with butterflies on it, which I got at a birthday party. And because Autumn, she has pants on, and she doesn't have a real diaper like my sister has.
Like Olivia. So
She's
we're-
gonna have a potty.
Yeah, we're bringing the potty so that she can go to the bathroom and
And-
something.
Hopefully it won't overflow.
Yeah, that does happen sometimes. And then what else do you have?
Of course, we have a diaper in
Yep.
case.
Really cute pattern on there, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have her bottle for water. And,
It's empty right now, but we're gonna put water in there.
Then I have this cute outfit, which Olivia calls it the magic outfit.
Because it came out of my magic clothing oven.
She has like a play oven over there that
Yep.
she thinks makes magical clothes.
I know what happens, but I'm not telling you because
It's magic. That's what happens.
well, I'll just go with it. So we're gonna pack this up. And that is everything that we're packing for our
Yep.
diaper bag.
And then I'm gonna put like just water in the bottles because they don't really need like anything else. I'm also gonna grab like a pair of like tiny scissors too, and some paper towels to wipe up the food packet. So other than that, that's really all. That concludes our diaper bag packing. So stay tuned for the at the park video. Thanks for watching, and
We'll see you in part 2.
well, yeah, the next video. Click like and subscribe, share it with your friends. Bye.